There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111. Gemini, let's look into your December love reading. What the spirits want you to know about your romantic path in the month of December. Whether you are a sun, moon, rising, or Venus, if your intuition brought you here, there's something meant for you in this reading. I already pre-shuffled the cards. Let's pull out the cards and see how it goes. So Geminis, your current romantic energy for the month of December is Tower. And what spirits want you to release is Ten of Pentacles. And what spirits want you to embrace is Sun. What's coming towards you in love in the month of December is Five of Wands. And the direction of your romantic path in the month of December is Eight of Cups. We'll pull out an oracle card and see the overall theme and guidance for the month of December. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. Geminis, your overall theme and guidance for the month of December for your love life is imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. So you need to heal, or you need to manifest the healing of your beloved ones and your relationship. Your current romantic energy for the month of December, Geminis, is Tower. So there might be some sudden change or sudden shock to you in the month of December, which will make you exhausted, broken for a while. And don't worry, Geminis, it's not a negative card, but it's a major card. I can see two major arcanas in your reading, the Sun and the Tower. And it means there might be some major change in your life, and this can be the change. There might be some sudden change which will really shock you for a while, and you may feel exhausted and stressed out because of this. But this change is needed to reset everything in your life. This change is much required to pause yourself, reset, and renew. And what spirits want you to release is, if at all you are having some financial issues, and that financial issues are around your family, if it is related to your inheritance, Geminis, you need to release the stubbornness of the property, or the stubbornness of want or desire to get the property. So the spirit want you to release this desire of acquiring the inherited property, because I can see you have a healthy relationship with your family and friends, and I can see you have a lot of well-wishers taking care of you, and also an experienced person who will guide you in every path of your life. But you have to release any want or desire or stubbornness to acquire the inheritance or acquire the property which you will get through the inheritance as soon as possible, because that is eventually affecting your love life and other relationships. And you need to focus mainly on family and friends. If it is your inheritance, it will eventually come into your life, but for now you have to release that stubbornness and focus on your family and friends, and also focus on your family life. And what spirits want to embrace is, you need to embrace the successful and happy life the divine has blessed you, because I can see it's a new beginning for you after this change. It's a new beginning for you, and after this change only you'll get the inheritance. And but you need to release the stubbornness of getting as soon as possible and spend more time with your family and friends. And you need to embrace the success what the divine is blessing you, because it's a new beginning and you are blessed, and I can see the happiness is surrounding you. So just embrace this happiness and prosperity coming your way. And what's coming towards you in love is, there might be some conflicts. There might be some miscommunication and conflicts between you and your partner. Because of this change, there might be some conflicts. So you need to sit and talk with your partner and try to avoid the conflicts. But I can see there is a conflict between you and your partner in the month of December, Geminis. So just be careful with the conflicts coming ahead. And the direction of your romantic path is, either of you or your partner are leaving the emotions and trying to isolate from the pain and just wanted to walk away for a while and like take a break and isolate. So it can be you or your partner. Take how it resonates, Gemini. It's not a fruitful time, or it's not a good time for either you or your partner or for your relationship. So this break is much needed, and the direction of your love is going in the same direction. Just you need to take break and isolate yourself, because either you or your partner are very much dependent on the other, because of which there are conflicts, and there is also a sudden change or sudden news in your life which really shocked you. So just take this break, reset yourself. And your overall theme, you need to focus on your healing. You need to focus that, or you need to manifest that your relationship is being healed. So Geminis, whatever it is, just wait for the change, and don't worry, even if the change will hurt you for a while, that change is much needed to reset and revive yourself. And just don't be back of the money. Just take care of your relationships, family and friends, and eventually the inheritance will follow you. And embrace the success the spirit will give you in your love life, because after the change, the things will change, and you need to embrace this. But be aware of conflicts between you and your partner, and either you or your partner will take a break and isolate because of the dependencies issues. And it might not be a very favorable time for you, but you need to concentrate on healing and manifest the healing. And also, if you can heal your heart and if you can heal your relationship, then eventually you will have the divine blessing. You can embrace the happiness and prosperity. Eventually the inheritance will follow you. Okay? Hope this resonates, Gemini. Now we'll do reading for Libra for the month of December. Okay, Libra, let's pull out your current romantic energy. Lovers. Okay. What spirits want you to release? Queen of Wands. And what spirits want you to embrace? Justice. And what's coming towards you in love? King of Swords. And the direction of your romantic path in the month of December? Eight of Wands. And we'll pull out the oracle card and see what will be your overall guidance and theme. New beginning. A new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. Okay, Libra. So as per your overall theme and guidance, you have new beginning ahead, and I can see the Lovers card. That means the new beginning of your love life, and this relationship is divinely blessed, and I can see growth, stability and success in this relationship, and you both complement each other. You both complement each other and you both are aligned with each other emotionally and soulfully. You will find your soulmate in the month of December, Libra. And what spirits want you to release is, if you have any issues like dominance, you just need to release that, because you, in general, you are very loyal and honest and you have a success path, but you have some dependency issues and you are a bit dominating, because of which your love life may affect. So you should give the space and value to each other with love and care, but not with dominance. So if at all you have any issues like dependency or domination, just try to release that in order to have a fruitful relationship ahead. And what spirits want you to embrace is justice. So Libra, if at all, if you have faced any kind of issues in your life till now, and you were waiting for the love of your life to enter your life, or the soulmate to enter your life, then this person is the right person and he or she might be your soulmate, and the justice is served finally. So if at all you have gone through any issues and you couldn't find any balance in your life, and you were always having a will to find a soulmate, then the justice will be served in the month of December and you will be healed, and I can see growth and success in this relationship. So you have to embrace this justice served and the relationship you are blessed with, and what's coming towards you in love. So you need to take some decisions regarding this new love, and you will take that decision because you are very compassionate, and you will also get the mental clarity, though you have some obstacles while taking the decisions, but don't forget that the hope will be always there, and I can see growth and success. The only thing is, even if there are obstacles, you will get the mental clarity for taking a decision regarding this relationship. And the direction of your romantic path is action. So you will be acting. So whatever decision you want to take regarding this relationship, that decision, you don't only take the decision, but also you'll act on that decision. So it's a very positive reading, Libra, because I can see the overall theme new beginning, and the soulmate card has your current love energy. That means you will find your soulmate, but the only thing you have to release is any dominance issues or any dependencies issues you have, because you have to give space for each other in order to make the relationship successful. And whatever problems you have faced till now, you will get the answer for those problems by the blessing of soulmate entering into your life. And I can see growth and success, and whatever decision you want to take regarding this relationship, you will get the mental clarity. Not only the clarity, you will also act on that to make this relationship work. Hope this resonates, Libra. Comment me below if it resonates. So now we'll do reading for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius. So we'll see what the spirits want you to know about your romantic path for the month of December. Your current romantic energy for the month of December is 4 of Pentacles, and what spirits want you to release is the Empress, and what spirits want you to embrace is Ace of Cups, and what's coming towards you in love is Five of Swords, and the direction of your romantic path in the month of December is Seven of Cups. We'll also pull out the Oracle card and see the overall theme and guidance for the month of December, Aquarius. The past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. Okay? So you have to release the past and you have to embrace the new path or the new possibilities available to you at this moment. So your current love energy, Aquarius, I can see you are feeling insecure about something, insecure about the life or insecure about the love. You are seeking for the stability. There might be some obstacles which are pulling you back to get the stability. So because of which you are feeling very insecure. So you are in an insecure energy right now, Aquarius. Might be because of your past issues. As we can see, you have to release the past and embrace the new. So might be because of the past you have some insecurities which are not helping you to get stability. So you need to release that past so that you can gain back your faith and eventually stability will be there. And the spirit want to release is, if at all you have to release the power or you have to release the dominating nature or the power to control everyone, Aquarius, because I can see you are very loyal and honest and you have the knowledge and you are very responsible enough. I can see growth and success in everything. I can see you are having name and fame, and you also very compassionate towards the family, but you are having some issue of controlling everything. So you need to release the urge of controlling everything, because if you don't give freedom in everything, freedom in any relationship or anything, then you cannot be successful at that. And what you have to embrace is, as I said, a new path is now available to you, and you have to explore the new possibilities and you have to embrace the new emotional relationship coming your way. I can see you will soon find a new relationship and you have to embrace it, and it's a positive sign for you for getting a blessed relationship or for attracting a blessed relationship in your life. And what's coming towards your love is, though you are having lot of new possibilities and you should embrace the new relationship entering your life, but be cautious of few people who will try to trick you or who will try to betray you, because you cannot trust randomly anyone and accept them as your life partner or a soulmate. So just be cautious on people trying to betray you and people trying to defame you, and which will affect your growth and decisions in your life. So as you are already stuck in the current energy of insecurities, don't let that insecurity make anyone accept, and eventually again you fall into the trap of betrayal. So just be cautious while selecting or while choosing a life partner to embrace the blessing you get from the divine. And the direction of your path is, I can see you are having many choices in the relationship, and I already said don't choose randomly anyone. You have to be wise and be aware of the betrayal people are trying to cause, and try to find the correct person or the correct soulmate for your life who will be the divine blessing. Okay, so just leave the past behind, Aquarius, and try to explore the new possibilities and come out of this insecurity. Then once you come out and once you heal yourself, then only you can just find new opportunities around you. And also Stop controlling everything in life. Everything is not under our control, and we have to let go of few things. Try to practice letting go and try to release the insecurities. Then the opportunities will come your way, but be cautious of some betrayals and choose the right person who will become the divine blessing in your life. Hope this resonates, Aquarius. Comment me below if it resonates. Thank you for watching, Aquarius. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition.